are taking us in to show us where the breach actually is. I only have like about 14% charge, so that would be as far as we could go. On top of the wall? So that would be Minister Rohan Sinanan along with some members of the community, the ODPM, the Imam. Oh, shucks. People just utter distress. Oh, so this gentleman is telling us in order to get food to people, you have to hand them it on your roof. So this is our boat crew here today.
What's the extent of the house? Wait, this reason, boy, this reason. Right now, water rising. We need to go hide this here.
Anybody in these houses? And here? Oh yes, yes, we heard. One of us here where we... No, we didn't come here yesterday.
No, nobody, no boat, no here. Down.
This gets worse in the last hour.
So they are reporting that, you know, the situation here got worse within the past hour. This is a car, guys.
I'll slow down.
And these people evacuated as well?
Yeah, we evacuated them.
We took all of them out. These dogs were inside of the house. They weren't rescuing, but we are afraid to take them because of...
Next thing you know, they're vicious.
What's your name?
So this is the bridge coming up here. You see on this side, there's one on that side there.
Right. So
And
this
there's
is
one on
one
the left
breach
side.
here, guys. So this is where the wow, and this
And
is
what's
the
the other
other
side here is
one.
bigger.
Yeah, it's
This,
wider.
you could actually.
Well, they don't have anywhere to go, really.
They were inside the house. I don't know how they came out.
Glass.
Side back.
And they're probably hungry. And the dogs literally have nowhere to go because the entire house is flooded. That's the whole length of the wood and more.
Full and bamboo.
That is what is responsible villagers say for the filling and flooding of bamboo. Number 2. There's another breach here. But the river there is almost the same level as right here.
We're going next side now. Ready? Are you ready?
Hi Ishmael, so we got the boat, but they'll organize for another boat to bring you down. Huh? How long will it take to come out?
Huh?
How long will it take to come out?
He wants to come in.
Yeah.
Smell. Yeah.
They'll bring it in like in about 10 minutes or so. Does it?
It's my, you want him to come in
Yeah.
and continue?
Yeah, where are we going?
We're going to go straight down. Okay?
So like about 15 minutes? Like about 15 minutes.
Yeah, about 15 minutes.
What's the name of that street that he was coming in?
That one was Rattan Street. First.
Rattan Street. And then you're making the first right.
Left.
First
And
left.
we're into Mohan right now.
Right in Mohan Street.
On the right side.
On your right hand side. No, you can walk through with your boots until where the boat will pick you up. Yeah, I have it on my Facebook. Alright, cool. And Manuel was there, so we have that. Cool, yeah, alright, good.
Too fast there, boss. Tell me,
Yeah, we're going right now. You want to see guys? Come back into Put the guys on the wall there. Food coming on the next boat just now. Lunch. Nana, oh, you're good? No, we have to curry it. Once you get to eat it, we're good. You really have a big goat in the basket. You have a big goat in the basket. Man, serious, what the goat boy?
Hey, you might have to clear them more in front, yeah, boy. What's your foot there?
On these roofs here, we have to climb up on the roofs here.
These houses, the roof.
Yeah.
The one them roof that you people don't take.
Oh, okay, so
Inside of that gate, you see this gate there? We have to drive in on and walk on the ledge and wall and get people through the top.
Ah, boy, can't pull up.
Over here, if you drop out there, it's pressure.
It's about 7 feet about there. Now we're going to take them out, Now we have to go strong so that we open on this side. Right. Right, so
You gonna sit there, man?
yes, nothing yet. Go ahead, yes,
Nothing yet.
This is over 8 feet of water here.
On this side.
have houses in the back there too?
Yeah, I'm not sure they know. We need to speak over there.
Wow.
You won't be able to see this bridge here because of the houses.
Where it
right
is?
in front of it.
Okay, okay.
You see how the current of the water coming in?
Yeah, yeah, you see the current.
The water still coming in.
Yeah, the same over there.
So put away the house real nice boy for Christmas and things.
What is one on the left? Right, sorry, right. This is one of my mom's workers. 2018 she was hit as well, but not so bad. Oh yeah.
What's this side? The water coming in too. All the current.
And what this was before?
Land.
An empty lot of land.
Yeah.
Happy you were saving. I'm so happy you were saving this. Nobody knows.
But these people still here.
Yeah,
You meant going?
nobody and nobody come down.
Nobody come down.
Then we can't the landing right now. We coming back with the food, just now a small boat coming.
We have to get We're doing a little surprise here with anything.
What's in front of you?
What's in front there? What is all up there, those? This side is the deepest.
And people still there, boy?
Yeah.
They don't want to leave. You tell them to come out. They don't want to leave.
People afraid to leave the home.
So this family here in this house, we are told that they refuse to leave their home.
Look.
What's in the back this side? What's your house there?
It's come up already, but when the small boats come, we go drop it for them. And hot food coming. Don't worry.
So this is a family here who didn't leave their homes as yet. You can
Yes, sir. Yes, Liam.
Yeah. Have it. Oh, pull them out.
Right, hold it.
So you ever experienced a situation like this before?
4 years ago, we had it real bad. Get back again. But we down here getting flood every week because of a big drain bust. There are dam leaking there, the bank is low, busting out with everything. We are suffering here every week, not only today. Not only because of this big flood, we suffering here every single week. Every single week.
What could be done to make your life better?
A drain, a proper, two concrete drain, but a piece missed out in the middle. It's only pure mud. No matter what they do, they have to finish that and they have to put a dam. They have a big hole leaking from the other side and pulling the village like a pump. Water is coming in, so it don't make sense. You pump the water out there and a pump here pushing back the water. When I mean a pump,
A hole.
a big hole.
Okay.
So we're doing that now. We suffer now here 3/4. Every time rain fall here now we have flood in this whole area here.
So this is your whole family here, or this is?
Well, people that live here, next people that live here, the other people, we rent in here. My family on this side.
Okay. So how many people are affected?
Huh?
How many people are affected?
Baba, Israel people affected this whole street. Affected. And what's going on with the situation? This is a weekly thing here for we, because the government not helping us in the right way. If they help, we ain't saying no. We can have a little water, we have extra, but they're not doing the right thing to protect.
This level that we're seeing here today, you have experienced this level before?
No, this twice
No, I 62 years now, I never see so much of water. I see half this amount because of the big rainfall or whatever. But forget this whole week we suffering every time rainfall. We want that problem to solve. Fix out the drain, fix up the dam on the bank and thing we're leaking. A excavator come and clean the river, but when the excavator pass, he dig out piece of the bank 3 places they were leaking right now. So better than clean the river and leave the bank good.
Anybody came to visit you? Anybody from ODPM or?
No, we ain't seen nobody yet beside all here. No matter what, we don't have to come and see me or don't come and see me because they know the problem and they still are doing nothing.
So you all will consider evacuating, or?
No, we home, yes, we home. Where we go? We go and live in other people, 15 people in one bedroom and touch it in one toilet, and then we have to stay in the house where to live.
I know that.
We had to survive. That's why you see we are going on and watch with people. Because how many people could live in a home with their family? They can't mind you, you can't do nothing. We will beg God for the water to go down. But we will ask the government to fix the village for we in the future. Please.
Well said.
Right, okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Push more the other thing, brother.
Yeah. Ready? We come with some hot food for you.
Ready?
Smaller boats.
Don't worry, and we have forgot the candle.
You
can't do that right now.
Yeah, gentlemen said the water, because the water is so high, they cut off the electricity, so they'll just be using candles.
I'm going in the street, you see inside it.
That makes sense.
So that's the entire family over there.
Yeah, it'll be red car. Next week, go to that about he can't come in here. Because inside is box training about.
Okay.
Just like you know before.
What is that?
See, that's how the bank's supposed to be. That's how the bank's supposed to be.
Over here.
That's still high as the bank.
That's how the bank's supposed to look.
Right. But here still get water.
Yeah, because the water comes
From
from
there.
there when we show you over there. The water seeping down there. All here is high.
Alright.
We have forget on there, uncle. We have forget on there.
I think they should go back out. Now we're starting up to.
People on the real stress.
My God, how people can live after this?
Stop here, we have to get them drink some and top you.
You come back with hot food for your uncle. Take it easy.
Very back here.
Swinging it?
Nah, I will go sit down. What's that thing?
Uncle, take out the food. I'm bringing more feathers now, don't worry.
Come with some small dinghies with some hot food for you, right? Just give us a few minutes.
Some people there just watching it out.
Come back, there's no more. No water.
Yeah, we're coming water.
So it looks like my battery is about to die, so I'll finish the live now.